Hi everyone, I'm Mimo, founder of Meeba AI. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick demo of how Meeba AI works. Let's open Meeba.ai. Meeba AI is an AI-powered agentic exam preparation platform built for Indian competitive exams such as NEET, JEE, UPSC, and State Public Service Commission exams. The platform uses artificial intelligence to generate study plans, study topics, quizzes, and personalized suggestions based on each student's preparation level and weaknesses. Most aspirants struggle not because of lack of effort, but because daily preparation decisions are unclear what topic to study, how deeply to study it, and whether it is the right priority at that time. Meeba AI solves this by using AI models to take over these decisions and convert preparation into a structured, data-driven daily workflow. Preparation begins by selecting the exam, preferred language, target date or exam month, and available daily study slots. Now let's click Start My Personalized Daily Preparation. To continue, we log in using Google. I select my account and the login is complete. Now Meeba AI starts preparing my personal study environment. This takes just a few seconds. The setup is complete, and now we are on the dashboard. As you can see, my study plan has already been created, and I've been assigned a topic to study for today. Each day includes study, quiz, and personal suggestions, all connected in a single flow. Now let's click Start Study. Here the AI generates the study content dynamically for the selected topic. The content is streamed in real time, making it easy to understand and structured for focused learning. On the right side, we can also see related videos, which can be explored later for deeper understanding. At the bottom, we have two options, chat and quiz. Using chat, we can type or speak our doubts, and the AI answers them instantly based on the topic we are studying. Now let's click on quiz. For the selected topic, the quiz is generated using AI. There are no preloaded quizzes. Each quiz is created dynamically. The quiz is ready. For this demo, I'll answer a few questions randomly and submit. Now the AI evaluates the answers. I scored 3 out of 10. When I click Review Answers, I can see detailed explanations for incorrect responses and clear identification of my weak areas. The system also shows total quiz time and time spent on each question. Based on this quiz performance, Meeba AI automatically generates personalized suggested topics for improvement. When I click View Suggestions, I can see exactly which topics are recommended and the reasons behind them. Let's click Study for a suggested topic. Again, the AI starts generating study content specifically focused on improving my weakness. Now let's return to the dashboard. When I click the Performance button on the right, I can see detailed performance insights, including accuracy trends and growth charts. On the left panel, I can also view exam-specific details and preparation progress. This is how Meeba AI creates an agentic learning loop: AI-generated planning, AI-generated topics, AI-generated quizzes, performance evaluation, and AI-driven replanning. Meeba AI is publicly available at Meeba.ai and on the Google Play Store. Meeba AI replaces daily preparation guesswork with an AI-generated, continuously adapting preparation system. Thank you for watching.